Question number 27. Right rectangular prism X is similar to right rectangular prism Y. The surface area of right rectangular prism X is 58 square centimeters or centimeter square, and the surface area of right rectangular prism Y is 1450 centimeters square. The volume of right rectangular prism Y is 1250 cubic centimeters. What is the sum of the volume in centimeter cube of right rectangular prism X and right rectangular prism Y? So let us say that this is right rectangular prism X and this is right rectangular prism Y. Now it's given that prism X and Y, they are similar first of all. So if they are similar, all the linear measurements of prism X are k times the respective linear measurements of prism X. Has some length like A and B. Correspondingly, it will be k times A here and k times B because they are similar. So using this concept, we can assume that whatever linear measurements of prism Y are there, they are k times the respective linear measurements of prism X, where k is a positive constant. Therefore, the surface area of prism Y is k squared times the surface area of prism X. Similarly, the volume of prism Y also will be k cubed times the volume of prism X. Now, what other information is given? It's given that the surface area of prism Y is 1450 centimeters square and the surface area of prism X is 58 centimeters square. So surface area of prism Y is equal to k square times surface area of prism X. We can use that and form an equation. 1450 is equal to 58 k squared. And from this first we can calculate k. So divide both sides by 58 and you will get the value of k squared. K squared will be equal to 25. And then you have to take the square root and you will get both positive and negative 5, but we have to take the positive value. Since k is a positive constant, k is 5, and now the other part, that is the volume of prism Y is 1250 centimeter cube. Therefore, the volume of prism X will be, this time they have given the volume of the bigger one. So we have to divide 1250 by k cube. So 1250 divided by 125. We know that k is 5, so 5 cube. So the 1250 will get divided by 125 because 5 cube is 125. So we are left with 10, which also means that 10 cube is the volume of the prism X and volume of prism Y was already given 1250 centimeter cube. And now what does the question want? It wants the sum of the volumes of the right rectangular prism and right rectangular prism Y. We have to add both of these. So 1250 plus 10 is 1260 centimeter cube. So you have to grid in 1260. So this is the sum of the volumes of rectangular prism X and rectangular prism Y.